In this video, you will learn what the Pygmalion Effect is and why it quietly shapes how people perform every day. The Pygmalion Effect is a psychological phenomenon where the expectations others have of you directly influence how well you perform. If someone genuinely believes you will succeed, you are more likely to succeed. If they expect you to fail, you are more likely to fail. This was first documented by psychologist Robert Rosenthal and researcher Lenore Jacobson in 1968. Their study showed that expectations are not just thoughts, they are forces that change behavior. Here is a simple example. A manager has two new employees. She believes employee A is talented. She gives him more feedback, more opportunities, and more encouragement. Employee B gets basic instructions and little attention. After 6 months, employee A performs significantly better, not because he was smarter, but because he was treated as if he would be. Here is why this happens. When you hold a high expectation of someone, your behavior changes, often without realizing it. You give them more time, more detailed feedback, and more room to try and fail safely. The other person feels that. They respond with more effort, more confidence, and better results. The expectation creates the outcome. This matters because it happens everywhere. In classrooms, teachers unconsciously invest more in students they believe are capable. In workplaces, leaders shape performance through the assumptions they carry. Even in personal relationships, the way someone sees you can affect how you see yourself. The effect also works in reverse. Low expectations lead to less support, less opportunity, and lower performance. This is sometimes called the golem effect. In short, the Pygmalion Effect shows that expectations are not passive. They actively shape behavior, performance, and outcomes, often without anyone involved being aware of it. The next time someone performs well or poorly around you, it may be worth asking, what did they expect of them in the first place?